I recently built my dream gaming setup, but this is what my chair looks like. And in today's video, I will be changing that. FLEXISPOT just sent me their OS1 flipping ergonomic chair, and it has completely changed my gaming experience. This chair is probably the most easiest chair to assemble because most of the parts already comes attached inside the box. The most unique feature of this chair is the 90-degree foldable backrest and flip up armrest, which lets you push the chair completely under your desk when not gaming. Ideal for small spaces and shared rooms, this chair lets you enjoy full ergonomic support, along with 3D adjustable headrest for custom neck support and adjustable armrest for perfect positioning. It also features an adjustable backrest that reclines from 105 degrees to 135 degrees, so you can lean back and relax. It also has a height adjustable lumbar support which supports your lower back during long gaming sessions, along with a slide out footrest for restful downtimes or intense gaming breaks. Crafted with a sturdy nylon frame and breathable mesh, this chair is durable and comfy. It also comes in 5 fashionable colors, and this chair has really brought my setup to life. Upgrade your gaming setup and workplace. Grab the FLEXISPOT OS1 flipping ergonomic chair today. You can find the link in my description below, and huge thanks to FLEXISPOT for sending this amazing chair.